Macam familiar nama Aiman Azim ni. Sekejap. Sekejap. Ada orang request. Sekejap I'm not Aiman Azim. Familiar nama ni. I'm not Aiman Azim. Sekejap. Aku approve dia.
Hi, sir.
Hello, hi.
Hi,
Eh?
sir. I mean, yes,
Can you speak in Malay?
boleh. Tak berapa bagus lah.
Oh, okay, alright. So, you are Chinese.
Yes,
Okay. I think I'm very familiar with that name, Aiman Azim. Is it
yes.
the
The
okay,
admin of the page. Yes,
the Aiman Azim?
yes. Admin of the page.
Okay. So who are you actually? What
I
is
am
your
a
relation?
I'm a editor of the page.
Oh, really?
Yes.
Okay. Alright. Hold on. Okay. This is quite interesting because
Yes.
I think back in the few days
Yes.
I
There's
kind
many
of yeah.
a lot thing.
Yes. Okay. Alright. So, you are the editor, not the admin.
Yes.
So the admin is actually the Aiman Azim
I
himself.
see. Yes. That's right.
Okay. So, um, okay. All right. There's a few things that I need to clarify with you. Uh,
Okay.
okay. So, how do I know that you are the real editor for that page? First and
Uh,
foremost.
the first time I was in the group Malaysia military power. So he just come, dia datang, dia message saya, tanya saya, nak jadi editor page dia tak? Lepas tu saya kata, oh, saya tak berapa tahu lah. Lepas tu dia kata senang je, edit gambar, reply komen, dengan yang komen-komen tak baik tu, kena delete lah. Jadi saya jawab, cuba try lah.
Okay. Meaning that, do you actually know Aiman Azim himself? Are you
No,
guys related? Are,
no,
are you guys a friend?
not at all.
No. So
Yes.
he's just a random Facebook user, isn't it?
Yes, I think he was in the group with me lah. So he saw my post, so he just messaged me lah. I think
Why he chooses you? Why?
sebab saya post banyak tentang pertahanan Malaysia dengan lain-lain macam equipment of Malaysia Armed Force.
Okay.
Yes,
Alright. Okay.
yeah.
Okay. If you can answer this question,
Yes.
what is actually the purpose of that so-called Captain Defense page?
The first dia tanya saya nak letak apa nama. Lepas tu saya kata letak Malaysia Military Fan lah. Lepas tu dia kata tak yalah banyak orang letak nama itu. Dia
Okay.
sendiri letak Captain Defense lah. Jadilah.
Oh,
Ya.
okay. Okay, is it Aiman Azim is a real person or is it some kind of fake account? Adakah dia is a orang betul ataupun dia just a fake account?
Kalau
Oh,
pertama
you
saya tengok dia punya profile lah. Ada
mm-hmm.
dua gambar saya dululah. Lepas tu saya nak muka pun tak clear juga. Dia ambil belakang punya gambar dari belakang. Ya.
So, what more do you know about Aiman Azim?
Oh, he say he's 23 years old. Duduk kat Pahang. That's all.
23 years old.
Yeah.
Okay, budak-budak. Alright. Okay, I think around 99 viewers want to know.
Yeah.
Okay,
Okay.
what is actually happening regarding to the post of
Israel
the
president. Right.
yes, what happened
Uh,
actually?
Actually, at that time, he read the news from defense security. I mean, from another page,
Okay.
and then he just took the picture of the aircraft and go to a flight radar and screenshot it and post and write something that I feel, wow, this is actually fake information.
So you actually know that that is a fake information.
Yes,
Then what
yes.
did you do about it?
I I I told him, Iman, this is a fake information because the plane, the aircraft was flying at 28,000 feet. It's
Mm-hmm.
considered to be the international airspace, not the Malaysia airspace at all.
Correct.
Yes,
Correct.
but he say no, no, that is Malaysia airspace. I just say, oh man, just do some research before you post something.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right. And then?
Then he sent me a picture of the aircraft fly to Philippines and fly to Australia. He said Indonesia did not allow Israel plane straight over Indonesia airspace. I say that is different, bro.
Mm-hmm.
But he keeps saying that, oh no, no, no. He say this is our airspace. We cannot allow Israel plane fly over. I just give up.
And then?
Yes. And then I say, can you delete it please? Because many people share it. Nanti ramai orang akan rasa takut, risau, panik. Sebab berita ni palsu lah. Then he say, no, nothing.
Okay.
Everybody's post it. Just don't care. I say, if you don't delete, I will delete it. After that, I will out from the page. I don't want many trouble with me. He said, okay, you just out. After that, he blocked my Facebook. Even the logo of the page that I pay from 100 ringgit.
Oh.
Yes. He said he will pay for me, but he did pay for me. He just run away, block my Facebook. Wow.
So I can see that the page is now disappear.
I don't know
Is
too.
he the one that removed the page? Do you know about it?
I don't think he removed it. I just think he's unpublic, so everybody cannot search it. Public saja. Mungkin lah.
Oh, okay. Maybe they just hide and
Yeah.
unpublish the page lah.
Yeah, yes.
Okay, alright. Wih, berdegar dah aku dengar ni. Okay. So actually you have nothing to do with the post.
Yes. I say the first one after I delete it, I say, can you please make a post? Say sorry about that. It just okay, like that. It just post something that even I'm reading that I also cannot understand what he's saying about.
Okay, siapa yang ada dekat dalam ni Okay. Okay. Before that, can you introduce your name
My name is
to
John.
the viewer?
Samanya
John.
nama John. Ramai pun tahu saya di dalam grup Malaysia Military Power juga.
So you are quite familiar with this defense group lah.
Yes.
Okay,
Even the gang Bawa Radar also.
Oh, okay. And then where you from, bro?
Yeah.
Where you from? You dari mana?
You mean state?
Yeah,
Yoho, sir.
Johor.
Yeah.
Okay. Alright. Hold on. Okay. Apa aku nak tanya lagi ya? Sekejap. Wait. I think I will invite my friend. Faiz.
Okay.
Faiz, boleh masuk tak Faiz? I think maybe you're familiar with Major Faiz as well. Because I
I do.
think he's the one that I think the admin post from our live. He did
Okay.
screenshot. Yeah, this post.
Okay.
Okay. Do you know about this
No, I
post?
don't. Wait,
You don't know?
Is that you? Is that you?
Yes, that is me. This is during I think last 2 days we did an IG live. Me
Yeah.
and Major Faiz and with other 2 RMF pilot.
Yeah.
I think we just talked about something very general, like
Yeah.
our experience in the Air Force and like some current issue. That's all. Okay. We didn't reveal any secret information.
Yeah.
Okay, but I don't know why. Suddenly, some of my friend told me that this page posted our screenshot.
Yes.
Okay, Faiz, ada apa-apa nak ni tak? Ada apa-apa nak tanya?
Yeah, aku introduce. My name is Havoc.
Yes,
Yeah.
I know, sir. I know you, sir.
You know me, yeah?
Ah.
How do you know me?
Okay. Uish, Faiz, aku peluh-peluh ni, Faiz. Aku peluh-peluh ni.
Oh, okay.
Aku peluh-peluh ni. Okay. Faiz, kira. Apa kau nak tanya? Please.
Oh, okay. I just, itulah, pasal dia cakap dia tak tahu anything about that. You don't know anything about the post regarding the yang itulah yang live tu kan? The screenshot
Yes.
kan? You
Yeah.
don't know nothing about that lah. Okay,
Yes.
actually that time we were talking about some different matters. That's what, then that guy sort of screenshot the
The live, yeah.
the live lah, kan?
Yeah.
And then he wrote I don't even understand what he wrote actually. It's really like rubbish stuff lah. That rubbish stuff might lead to misunderstanding lah. That's why lah.
Yeah.
Itu je. So you don't know that guy ah? Ayo.
I actually also don't know that guy. He just come
Yeah,
and
yeah.
message to me. He say, "Hey, you want to be my editor of my page?" And I just say, "Okay, I will try."
Oh. You guys hear my voice ah? Dia kata suara my
Dengar.
Dengar?
Loud and clear. Loud and clear.
Eh? Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Okay. First of all, you said tadi I ada join your masa you live dengan Rais tu. You said you from the Gang Bawah Radar and military.
Yes.
Yeah. I
Yeah.
appreciate you guys. You guys did a good job in promoting the itulah Malaysian asset and everything, Malaysia Power. I really inilah, even dulu masa I in the service also, I like with the Gang Bawah Radar we do
Yeah.
appreciate you guys. Appreciate you guys.
Betul.
Yeah. Since
Appreciate you guys.
Yeah. Since you guys be our supporting team lah.
Yes.
Yeah. So it could be macam dia cakap lah kan, dia pun tak tahu siapa that guy kan. Yeah, really young, 23 lah, 23.
23 bye. 23 je.
23, when I was 23, I just only baru start holding the joystick, baru start fly. I think 23, baru start fly. Then masa tu I tak kerti pun apa lagi. Tak tahu pun pasal everything. Don't know anything.
No, Faiz.
Yeah,
The issue is okay. Yang macam John cerita tadi, okay. John sendiri pun tahu. I know John is a big fan of our military, okay.
Yeah,
And John sendiri pun tahu our airspace punya procedure semua, okay. And then he tried to stop this bloody Aiman untuk jangan post, untuk delete, untuk minta maaf apa semua. Bukan kita je lah yang ada knowledge ni. Okay, a military fan like John pun tahu. Okay, apa yang keluar statement tu salah. And then he tried to stop Aiman. Tapi Aiman tu aku tak tahu lah. Aku tak tahu.
Yeah, he may be sick for.
Can I show you the chat, please? Can I show you the chat?
Yeah.
Yeah. You can see this. The post you just now you upload is total wrong. The plane was about 20,000 feet, but it's a Malaysia Air. Down below 90,000 feet is considered the Malaysia airspace lah. According to the international law, the Israel plane has full right to fly over there. About 19,000 feet, it was considered to be international airspace, which means all the aircraft have full right to fly over there.
Betul.
Yes.
Oh.
Yeah.
Nampak tadi dia tulis Facebook user. Maknanya si Aiman ni dia dah block John tau. Dia dah block John. Nampak tak? Aku rasa Aiman ni pun tahu dia salah tau. Tapi maybe dia panik sebab dia baru umur 23. So dia panik, dia tak tahu apa dia nak buat. So dia block semua orang. And then dia unpublish dia punya page. Oh.
Saya pun rasa tak betul juga kenapa dia dah post itu. Saya dah kata dengan dia, jangan berita palsu, jangan. Cari dulu. Lepas tu baru post. Dia tak dengar. Dia terus post saya. Dia kata banyak page tu sudah post. Kita post saya lah. Tak apa pun. Saya cakap, okay. Awak buat macam tu, saya out lah. Saya tak nak jadi editor lagi. Saya out.
Oh, so you did actually remove yourself from being the editor of that page. Yes. Okay. Wih.
Chaos for the whole Malaysia.
Yeah.
From 33
You tahu tak, John? Okay. You tahu tak, John? Okay.
Yeah.
Regarding the post about the Israel punya aircraft, okay, yang ramai orang share is actually from that Captain Defense punya page tau.
I know. Wait. I saw you where he take a picture of the Israel plane and he's circle at the landing gear where I saw you.
Okay, alright.
This one, right? You see, this is tayar saya, dia pun bulat juga. Tayar saya ni. Semua memang dah tahu, memang tayar.
Astaghfirullahaladzim.
Yang belakangnya juga. Okay, ni kita tak sakar ni. Dia memang betul lah.
Ya. Tayar? What can tayar do actually?
Tunjuk, this is tayar.
This is tayar.
Aduh, landing gear pun nak tunjuk. Okay, 158 orang yang tengah join. Ingat kalau korang nampak aircraft ada landing gear, bahaya tau. Okay, aku rasa semua Boeing, AirAsia ke, even Firefly yang pakai prop tu pun dia ada landing gear. So bahaya guys. Itu adalah kemungkinan spy aircraft. Sebab dia ada landing gear Aduh. Dia budak-budak lah. Dia budak-budak.
Itulah.
I just wonder. Wait. Yeah. Itu landing tayar punya. Kenapa dia bulat pun juga? Semua aircraft memang kena ada.
Ya. Aduh. Macam mana Pak Is? Apa kita nak buat? By the way, John. Macam ni lah, John. I think you have the boss lah. You memang ada guts untuk masuk dalam live and you pun mengaku you are the editor of that page. You tak takut to bagi tahu benda yang betul lah. I respect you so much lah. Sebab you tahu tak, actually, okay, someone from dalam servis, diorang assume that the admin of that Captain Defense is actually me. Because why? Yeah. Because why? Because of this post. Muka orang lain semua censored tau. Muka orang lain semua dia dah cover. Muka I saja yang dia tak censor. Okay, and one more thing, okay. During my time in the service, I was a pilot and then I was grounded. And then I became the some sort like radar punya officer lah. Air defense punya trade. Okay. So my last trade, my last subject matter expert is defense radar. So when they saw the page name Captain Defense, so they assume that the page name can relate to me. I'm a captain.
Wait. I have screenshot it. Wait. I show you.
Okay.
You mean this right? You see? Post by.
Oh,
This is a spot of radar. I know it.
Yeah.
Spot of radar.
Yeah.
But
Radar
they
squadron.
post it.
Radar squadron.
Yes. This is cannot post, you know.
Yeah, of course.
You see?
By Aiman Azim. Yeah. Weh.
Wow, I just
Weh. Berdegau. Weh. Baik, serius. Berdegau dengan aku ni.
itulah that
Ui.
guy have no balls. But you have a balls. I know you military fan. Memang I
Yes.
appreciate. I appreciate. It's really.
Okay, John. Okay.
Oh.
yes.
Disebabkan you pun dah reveal you punya muka and all that, you dah reveal you punya identity, you pun tak takut because
Yes.
because I know you want to tell the truth, okay?
Yes.
Sebab you pun, maybe you pun rasa guilty lah sebab you are one of the editor and then you tengok apa tu post dah create a very chaos punya situation sekarang dekat Malaysia. So, I don't know siapa yang tengok live ni sekarang. So, if anything, okay, I tak nak ni lah, bukan I nak takutkan you lah. If anything, worst case scenario, kalau tiba-tiba you kena panggil ke with mana-mana organisation ke apa ke, I hope that you can bagi a good cooperation lah. Because as far as I'm concerned, you have all the screenshot, you have all the conversation, boleh jadi you punya bukti lah.
Yeah, okay.
Okay? So, yeah. Sebab you pun berani masuk, obviously memang you bukan orang yang salah lah. Orang yang salah tu yang Aiman tu lah sebab dia pun sudah menyorok mah. Dia sudah takut mah.
I saw your
Okay.
post, you say tak ada telur.
Yeah, of course. Tak ada telur lah. You have the telur, man. You have the telur.
I boleh tanya sikit. May I ask you question lah, John?
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah.
I just wondering lah. What make apa ni? Macam mana you boleh berminat untuk menjadi seorang military fan? What makes you feel like that? Do you love? You obviously you love Malaysia lah, right?
Of course.
So we are one.
This was my
Yes.
country.
Yeah, your country kan. You like envy all the guys protecting you
Yes.
guys. Betul tak? So what
I
makes
respect
you
all
yeah, what makes you I just nak tahu je, tak ada nanti pun, because I betul-betul I appreciate all the military fans that spreading good words. That's why I just tanya je.
Okay, masa saya kecil kan, masa Merdeka Malaysia lah, setiap tahun ada jet, ada helikopter, ada kereta kapal, kereta perisai, jalan-jalan, saya nampak, macam, cantik lah semua. Abang-abang jaga negara kita, untuk keselamatan negara kita, itu, I rasa dalam, kalau I boleh, I akan menjadi seorang askar untuk menjaga keselamatan negara kita inilah.
Wow. Kalau
Faiz, aku sebab tu.
See the service, I appreciate the word seriously. I appreciate it. It's sort of bagi I macam semangat tau. Although I'm not in the service, but I do feel that. I do feel that, and I can assure that most of the guys in the service will also feel the same. Because You also want
John,
the
you punya umur berapa sekarang?
3 bulan lagi dah 20 lah.
oh very very oh
So you punya education punya background?
Tak berapa baik lah bang. Tak baik.
It's okay.
oh, okay no, no
I just ni lah.
oh very young
Sebab-
20 oh so most of the Merdeka
Oh, yeah.
time will be my time lah, my time do flying overhead. Merdeka 2019, 2018, 2017 and every Merdeka lah you ada lah. Yeah, okay, thank you. It's me lah, it's me.
Kalau
It was me. Promote pula.
kepada Aiman lah, okay, kalau kau tengah tengok sekarang ni kan, kau tak malu ke dengan si John ni? Kau tak malu?
Tak ada telur.
No, I mean John, you obviously you dah cerita you sangat minat askar, tapi you tak ada peluang nak join lah, okay?
Yes.
Ni lah set for you lah, but still you minat dengan cara yang betul. You keep on promoting, okay, kita punya defense macam mana, kita punya military macam mana, without orang cakap macam kutuk-kutuk kita punya military. Okay, we as a military personnel, we know where we stand.
Yes.
We know where we stand, and I think kita tak payahlah, okay, kita nak cerita, oh Singapore punya aircraft banyak, oh kita punya aircraft ada berapa biji je. No need lah, kita buat apa sibuk dengan orang lain punya country. Kita punya military untuk jaga kita lah, bukan untuk pergi perang lah.
Yes, that's correct, sir.
Kan? Yeah, so I very have much respect for you lah. Tapi in other case, that bloody Aiman, aku tak tahu dia minat ke dia tak minat ke military, but he keep posting that he was a superficial punya palatau, even though dah ada orang clarify to him that dia punya information salah, dia still nak post juga. And then dia dah create satu Malaysia panic.
Yes. Wow, I see many people share about it. I think
Yeah.
more than 20,000 20,000.
Correct.
Yeah,
Correct.
all the big news pun share about the same thing. Let's make it very kan. So you see not the words you pun faham kan, you pun understand what the word can cause, right? That's why you have a balls to stop the guy, but unfortunately dia dah tak post dulu lah kan. So you pun tahu itu kalau orang Islam dia panggil fitnah tu, fitnah jatuhkan. You know not.
Fake news lah. Fake news.
Fake news.
I saw that, but I know.
Yeah.
Okay, sekarang ada 182 orang. So korang dah tahu okay, punca yang boleh jadi create benda ni, okay. Aku bagi clear sikit lah dekat sini. Yes, aku tak tahulah dah betul confirmation ke tak betul, but even though the aircraft was actually Israel punya aircraft pun, okay, tapi macam yang John sendiri cakap, as a civilian, tapi dia minat, dia study, dia ambil tahu pasal kita punya air law apa semua ni, dia pun tahu. Okay, bukanlah kita nak bagi sangat Israel itu lalu. Okay, itu belakang cerita. Kita tak tahu dia submit flight plan lah, apa benda lah. Okay, maybe dia dah ada authority dari siapa-siapa, kita tak tahu. Tapi, okay, as far as I'm concerned, berdasarkan aku punya pengalaman, aku juga dalam air defense, okay, dia tahu yang dia lalu tu dekat international punya airways. Okay, so kita tak ada hak. Dia dah ada kebenaran. Yang siapa bagi kebenaran tu wallahualam, tapi our military have nothing to do about it sebab ia adalah civil aircraft. Okay, dia adalah civil aircraft. Okay, so cerita dia sekarang ni, benda tu obviously benda yang salah, and then John try to stop, tapi Aiman ni degil. Dia nak ni. Okay, by the way korang jangan risau. Okay, John, I need your permission. Okay, I will save this post and I will publish to my YouTube page. Okay, because I think everybody needs to know about this. Everybody. Okay,
Okay.
so sebab tu I cakap dekat you tadi, okay, worst case scenario, maybe you kena panggil dengan siapa-siapa ke, I hope you just be calm, nothing to worry about, you just bagi tahu benda betul and you come up with the bukti lah.
Okay.
Don't worry. Orang pun akan
Okay.
respect you lah bila dia tahu you are behind that other pages yang support our military apa semua. Okay?
Yes.
So, siapa-siapa kat Johor? Kalau, no, Pahang. Siapa-siapa dekat Pahang? Kalau korang kenal, si Aiman ni, Johor pula. Johor John. Siapa-siapa dekat Pahang, kalau korang kenal si Aiman tak kisah ke, Aiman Azim ke apa benda ke, korang nasihat dekat dia lah. Benda dah semakin bocor dah ni. Dia punya tembelang dah semakin pecah dah. Jangan sampai orang cari dia dulu. Baik dia serah diri dulu. Serah diri kat siapa-siapa lah. Dekat aku boleh, dekat Havoc pun boleh, dekat siapa-siapa lah. Tampil.
Aku belai je. Belai.
Belai Belai cara
belai.
kita lah.
Kau lah ganas.
Belai. Okay.
Jangan buat macam tu, jangan buat macam tu. Tak baik, aku macam tu je. Aku kan kau lelaki.
Yang korang bising-bising kan, yang maybe ada dalam ni yang duk cakap aku koyak. Kau tengok sebab apa aku tak koyak. Malu lah weh dekat John ni, malu lah.
John, if
Yes.
next year ada Merdeka Sambutan, I'll go with you lah. We watch on ground together.
Okay.
Last few years, I'm busy on Merdeka. Then maybe next year I can join you on ground lah.
Okay.
Okay, Faiz, adalah soalan.
Tak boleh.
Adalah soalan.
Orang ni banyak gelak aku. Aku memang banyak senyum. Aku rasa masa aku fly dulu mungkin ada terputus kot. Ugat marah harian. Tak tahu aku ni.
Sebab tu kau Havoc. Kau
Aku
Havoc.
rasa ada short sikit lah. Ugat aku rasa aku ni dah lama aku tak marah orang ni. Tak boleh lah. Sorry lah. It's fighter pilot aku man. It's fighter pilot aku lah, you know.
Aku tak boleh. Sebab aku dekat bawah jaga kau. Sebab aku selalu kena marah dengan pilot.
Itulah.
Bodoh sial, aku dah nampak lah bodoh. Turn now. Target heading. Aku selalu kena marah. Sebab tu aku sekarang ni, aku suka marah. Okay, John, from you. Any last word?
No.
Any last word?
Okay. I hope if anyone, suka pertahanan lah, janganlah share berita palsu. Cari dulu sebelum post. Jangan nanti kalau post berita palsu tu, semua orang akan rasa panik, takut. Macam itulah. Jangan.
Yep.
Yeah.
Well said. Ada ni.
I hope that you
Ladies
boleh
like
jadi
pilot.
contoh lah dekat semua rakyat Malaysia lah.
Ya.
Apa dia Faiz?
Tak ada apa saja.
Apa dia?
Aku distracted.
Oh, okay.
I was distracted.
Okay. Aku harap semua, okay, rakyat Malaysia lah boleh jadikan John contoh, okay. Dia tahu walaupun bukan salah dia, tapi dia rasa bertanggungjawab, dia berani tampil, macam aku cakap tadi, dia ada telur, okay. Dan juga he's example as a Malaysian. Regardless lah kita punya aset ni macam mana pun, tapi dia bangga dengan apa yang kita ada. And he's spreading a good words. Dia tak ada pun nak compare. Memanglah Malaysia kecil mana, Singapore tu boleh lah dia anak angkat US. Memanglah dia banyak dapat aircraft free.
Because I think
okay?
dia ada semangat patriotic and the faith and then the trust the guys. Dan betul lah dia ada semua benda tu lah.
Yes.
So yeah, that's why dia minat.
Okay.
Kan?
I think I pun dah tak ada apa dah dengan you John. So macam I cakap tadi lah, I akan post, I akan save this live, I akan post.
Okay.
So if anything, kalau you kena panggil ke apa ke, I hope you just get ready with all the evidence lah.
Oh yeah.
Okay lah, so kalau you nak keluar dulu pun boleh sebab I nak teruskan live lagi.
Okay.
So
Aku ada nak interview
thank you
tu. Aku nak interview
dia?
the airline pilot. Tu Fatin tu.
Oh, okay, alright.
Kita saja sembang lah. Kita tahu sikit
Okay.
macam mana, how dia
okay.
Yes, it's good content kot. Semua everybody ni boleh lah Fatin. Kalau boleh cakap yes. Terbaik. Sekejap
Okay.
kita join.
Okay. John,
Yeah.
thank you so much for your time. Thank you so much for your guts, and thank you for the balls. Seriously. Okay. Alright. So,
Okay.
thank you, John. Okay.
Thank you,
Alright.
John.
I
Thank you.
respect you.
Merdeka, don't worry, call me, We go
Okay,
together.
thank you.
On
I know
round.
you.
Follow.
I know you.
Follow.
I know.
Follow me,
Okay.
DM me,
Okay, I did.
Alright.
Alright.
Okay,
Okay, John. Thank you so much. Bye.
Thank you.
sir.